channel. Let's learn together.
In the green meadow under the old tree there lived a tiny snail. He was an unusual snail. Curled in his grubby little house, he was always thinking what he can do for fun. He wanted to carve an old worn-out-looking tree stump and make it look clean and nice. The snail thought of it during the day and dreamed of it at night. Our snail wanted to be a carpenter. The snail did not know anything about being a carpenter and was afraid to ruin the tree stump. He decided that the first clever step is to make his own house beautiful. This way, he will gain experience and will know how to deal with the tree stump later. The forest animals gathered around the snail, curious to see what he was doing. The snail started to rub his shell against the wood, but soon he understood that something harder is needed to carve it. He found a rock nearby and rubbed his shell against it. Soon, his house started to change its shape. It had tiny grooves where he had rubbed softer and larger grooves where he had rubbed stronger against the rock. The little snail finished to decorate his home, and everyone admired his hard work. Even the woodpecker, the master carpenter of the woods, bowed his head, showing appreciation for the snail's work. Happy that his work is admired, the snail went to the old wooden stump and asked permission to decorate it. Soon, the old trunk stump was the most beautiful piece of wood in the whole forest. In a short while, the snail had plenty of work. Other animals asked him to decorate their homes, and everyone was happy to have the carpenter snail in their forest. He even opened a special school for young snails who wanted to become master carpenters like him. Today, snails are busy decorating their own homes. If you go for a walk, try to find snails and see how many different houses they have.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.